Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me today is Chef Alex.
Hello.
Amy's busy being lazy, so she's missing out. So today we're going to make some buffalo hummus. This is going to be super easy. Even you, Chef Josh, should be able to make this no problem. However, where you're going to be using a food processor for this, please have your parents around to watch. Don't do this on your own. This can be a little dangerous because food processors, they tend to be a little bit unforgiving on your fingers, so please be careful on this, but this is very simple. So I've got 1 can of drained chickpeas. It's mostly drained. It's not going to be perfect because it's kind of impossible to really do that. Then I'm going to take maybe 2 spoonfuls of garlic. It's already been minced. You can take 2 or 3 or maybe even 4. It only really needs 2, but to be honest with you, garlic is really good. We like the flavor of it. And you're supposed to put in, I believe, 1 cup of, or half a cup of chili pepper. I'm not good at that kind of direction, so I'm just going to use quite a bit. How's that?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
You want to make this, you want half a cup. If you're like, say, Terre Haute, and you want to make something that's really super hot, put in some peppers in this too. Use your hot sauce that you're happy with. I'm using Thai chili pepper. We're gonna blend this. And chickpeas is a great thing to use because honestly, it's one of those things that is really super good for you. This is going to curb your appetite. And
It's high in protein.
High in protein, and it's super healthy. Yeah.
Good.
I think it's great. Open up.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, this is really freaking good. I think that's going to be one of my favorite go-tos now. So that's basically it. That's a quick recipe, don't you think?
Yeah, really quick.
Yeah, we're done.
It's going to be a very short video.
Yeah, so please hit the like, share, subscribe, and we appreciate you. See you next time.